Hi children, I welcome you all in this video. Hope everyone is doing good at home. We are in the second phase of lockdown. Our school is providing online classes for you all. So here I am with class 2 grammar. In this video, we will learn about articles, the very first lesson from your second term syllabus. In this lesson, you will be learning when to use articles a, an, and the before a given word. So let's begin. Articles. Articles are inseparable friends of nouns. A noun is incomplete without articles. So what are articles? There are three types of articles: a, and the. The words a, and the are called articles. These articles are basically an adjectives that qualify nouns. In short, we use articles a, and the before nouns. So how many types of articles are there? There are three types of articles. They are a, and the. Clear? Now let's run through this list of words. A girl, a table, an ice cream, an eagle, a tiger, a book, an orange, an umbrella. Did you notice that there are some words in this list that have the word a before them and some that have the word an before them? Do you know why? Let's find out. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. These are the letters. Out of these, 5 are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels A, E, I, O, U. And remaining 21 letters in the English alphabet are called consonants. So these are the consonants. Clear? Let's begin with article an. Children, now listen carefully. When a word starts with a vowel, or more specifically with a vowel sound, we use an before such words. For example, ape and ape. The word ape starts with the vowel a, having a vowel sound a, and we pronounce it ape. So we use an before this word and we say an ape, an ape. Alright? We use an before singular, that means single noun that begin with a vowel or vowel sound. For example, an ape, an ice cream, an eagle, an orange, an umbrella. Here the word umbrella starts with vowel u, having a vowel sound a, and we pronounce it umbrella, umbrella. We use an before this word and we say an umbrella. Alright? An elephant, an aeroplane. Clear? And sometimes we use an with nouns begin with silent H. The words that begin with consonant H but have a vowel sound or the H is silent, we use an before such words. Let's take the example R. In the word R, H is silent. It begins with a vowel sound A. So we use an before such words and we say an R. Let's take the second example, honest. It begins with a vowel sound A and we say an honest man. Clear? Now let's move on to another article a. When a word starts with a consonant or a consonant sound, we use a before such words. For example, the word book. The word book, it starts with the consonant B, having the consonant sound ba. So we use the word a before this word and we say a book. Alright? So we use a before single noun that begin with a consonant or consonant sound. For example, a book, a lion, a chair, a man, a house, a horse. Clear? Sometimes words that begin with vowel U but have the sound of consonant Y, we use a before such words. Let us take the example of word uniform. Here the vowel U has a consonant sound or the sound of letter Y. We say uniform. We use a before such words. Alright? For example, a uniform, a unicorn. Clear? Alright, now let's move on to the final article, the. But here are some few points you need to remember. Number 1, the word the is used before nouns to refer to a specific or particular person, place or thing. For example, Dora wore the red frock that her mummy gave her. In this sentence, the red frock refers to the particular frock that Dora's mummy gave her. Let's look at another sentence. Dora kept the book that Nina gave her. Here, the book refers to the specific book that Nina handed out to Dora. Clear? Next, we use the when we talk about the previous noun for the second time. For example, there was a fox. The fox was very hungry. Here, in the first sentence, we have already addressed the fox with article a. So, when we talk about that fox for the second time, we use the and say the fox. There was a fox. The fox was very hungry. Same in the second example. My friend gave me an orange. The orange was sweet and juicy. Clear? Next, we use the before a noun which refers to one and only one of its kind. Alright? For example, there is only one sun. So we say the sun is shining. There is only one earth. So we say the earth is round. Clear? We also use the before the names of rivers, mountain ranges, seas and oceans, famous buildings, holy books, directions. Alright? For example, rivers, the Ganga, the Nile, mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Aravalli, seas and oceans, the Bay of Bengal, the Indian Ocean, famous buildings, the Red Fort, the Charminar, holy books, the Bible, the Vedas, directions, the East, the West. Alright? Before we leave, let's run through some of the points we have learned in this lesson articles a, and the. A, and the are called articles. They are used before nouns. The use of a or an depends on the opening sound of the word. Remember this, the use of a or an depends on the opening sound of the word. We use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. We use a before words that begin with a consonant sound. We use the before nouns to show that we are referring to that particular person, place or thing. We use the when we talk about the previous noun for the second time. We use the to refer one and only one of its kind. We use the before the names of rivers, mountain ranges, seas and oceans, famous buildings, holy books, directions. I hope this video will help you to understand the use of articles a, an, and the to some extent. Now there's a homework for you. I want you to attempt the exercises that are in your grammar textbook, that is page 40, exercise A and exercise B, exercise C, page number 41 and 42. Try to complete them. It's easy. You can do it. That's all for today, children. But before I leave, I want to tell you that stay clean, always wash your hands properly and maintain personal hygiene. Stay home, stay safe and keep learning.